All right, so the next one I want to show you is we're going to take our same example, but we're going to add a new button to the side, and that is going to change the background of our web page. So let's change it from select quote. We're going to create a new function. We're going to call it change background. Okay, so we're going to save that. So now we're going to write a new function on here. Change background. All right. I'm going to do the same thing I did earlier so that we see through it. Create a function that, when called, iterates through an array of HTML colors and changes the document background. Okay. So in order to iterate through an array of HTML colors, I do think I'm going to need a variable that's like maybe an index of where I currently am. So because I like to put all my variables up top, I'm going to do a let color index equal 0. Why am I doing this? It's because I'm going to start with 0, and then we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we get to the length, we're going to zip back and start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 from there. That's a pretty standard programming pattern for iterating over something. So I'm going to do is now I'm going to set our. I'm going to do our color. Our colors here. Call them themes. Equals. And now let me just get us a list of nice colors for this HTML. Okay, so my themes are going to be soft blue white, light cyber blue, minty green, warm neon peach, light futuristic purple, etc. Okay, so now that I have my themes in here, my theme colors, what do I want to do? I want to, all right, so this is where we're going to do, we're not going to get the element by ID. We're actually going to do the sort of the long way of getting the address using the document object model. And so we're going to do, if everything works according to plan, document dot body dot style dot background color equals themes, and then our index. Where's our index? That is color index. Color index. And then on the next line, I'm going to put color index. I can either do color index equals color index plus 1, or if you remember correctly, color index plus plus. Let's save that. Now, I hope this works. I'm very excited. Whoa. I'm excited if this does work. Okay. Let's get a quote. Change background color. Oh, hey, there we go. So I'm able, and if, as you notice, it stopped going. Why did it stop going? Because the color index keeps getting higher. What we need to do is we need to do an if statement. What should the if statement say, do you think? If you think it's if color index is less than the length of themes dot length color index plus plus. Else, I may actually have some numbers wrong there. Color index equals 0. So save that. We're going to try it now. Refresh. Get a quote. This is heavy. Change background, change background, change background, change background, background. Okay, so I did. Because length, it's actually not just the length, it's actually the length minus 1. Why? Because of the whole 0 indexing thing. So it's the themes.length minus 1. So if the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that means this one is 9. So it's as long as it's less than 9, because it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we save that, refresh it, and go ahead and hit color, background color. And it seamlessly loops around. So that's kind of fun. Okay. So that's one very not super common, but actually more common than you think, way for you to use a list. Let's go ahead and see another example after this.